Hi guys, my name is Caitlin. I I am very happy to see you at the Wednesday because I am very happy to see you. Wow, I am very happy to see you at all. This is my house. Wait, and go. This is my house. I live here the Filipinas. Grow on. I live here guys. It's good. Sunset is good. Wow. I am very happy to see you. This is my mom and my dad. And this is my whole school gang. This is our school name. Hey guys, hey guys. I am very happy to see you. Like this. Look at me, guys. I am very happy to see you. Look, I, I act like this to see you up on. I'm very happy to see you. This is my family. This is my kid. My dog and countryside. I am very happy to see you at morning. And for now, I see you later at the mall. I am very happy to see you again. Yeah. I am very to see you again. Yeah.